Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold on the smaller time frames. But before we look at how to trade it on the smaller time frame, I'll be starting with the daily time frame uh, using pivot analysis. Now the pivot line is at 2164. All right, and then we have uh, the resistance line at the first resistance line at 2178, while we have the first support line at 2144. So I will expect price to uh, either get to 2178 or 2144 in the near time. All right, but another thing to look at on the daily time frame is the formation of what we call evening star candlestick pattern, where you have a bullish run, you have a small bullish candle, and then you have a drop. So this is a likely indication that we might see reversal. Reversal up to what point now will be determined or will be known subsequently. But we have this particular order block around here on the daily time frame that might serve as a demand zone where buyers will pick price, but this is just a speculation. Now let's take a look at what has happened on the monthly time frame for gold. The monthly time frame shows that the price of gold is in a bullish trend. We have the trend formation around here. We have a test of the trend line, and we can see that the trend line is currently respected. It has not been validated. All right, and then we can see that the current monthly candle is still a bullish candle, although we are seeing a bit of retracement around here, but price might likely continue up, all right, or it might drop. But the month is still on. Today is the 13th of March. Let's see if price is going to go higher. All right, but that's for the monthly time frame. Now on the monthly time frame, the first demand zone, this is the first demand zone. Price is going to drop. Buyers will be waiting around the 2750 area to push price up, but a break of this zone might likely make price test this ascending trend line. All right, but that will take a long time, perhaps possibly a couple of months or 4 months time, but let's see. But the trend is bullish and the buyers are buying gold. Also the momentum is strongly bullish. We have few, especially around this area, we have few red bars, mostly green candlesticks. On the weekly time frame, it's strongly bullish. All right, momentum is strongly bullish. Few red bars, few red candlesticks, but more of green candlesticks, and they are quite longer, showing the strength of the buyers. We have on the weekly time frame, we have this particular structural level that was broken last week. We might be seeing price, we might see price drop to that level, 2134 area, to find, for price to find buyers that will likely pick it up. So what I'm saying in essence is we might see this resistance turn to support and then for higher push. All right, but for now, price is still bullish. If price is going to drop anytime soon, the buyers are waiting on the weekly time frame at this particular order block. On the weekly time frame, buyers will be waiting around the 2010 area to pick, price and push it further up. All right, that's the closest order block. All right, that's that for the weekly time frame. Price is strongly bullish. On the daily time frame, we've analyzed we've made some analysis on the daily time frame at the start of this video. We can see that the candlestick formation is an evening star candlestick, indicating that we might likely see a reversal. But typically, when we have formation of evening star candlestick pattern, price does not just go straight down. We might first of all see price go up a bit, okay, and then might see price start to drop, okay. But like I said, if price is going to drop, it's going to be a long drop, because we have the other block around here at the 2035 area. So if price is going to drop, it's going to have to be a long drop. But if it gets to this area, there's going to be several demand layers before price gets to that level. So it's going to be a tough nut to crack for the sellers or for the bears. All right, but for now, we have the formation of evening star candlestick pattern. The best that I might expect is price to at least drop to the 2128 level, which is the same depth of the current bearish candlestick. If at all price is going to drop, it might drop to this level for buyers to come in, because the trend is still strongly bullish. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? 4-hour time frame shows that we have this kind of consolidation, a range between this point and this point, and we can see the break of the range. Okay, break lower. Now we have another range being formed here. So we have the range top around here to be this. Let's put this as our range top, and these are range bottom. So we'll be looking for a break of this range. All right, and we have even a smaller range within a range within a range. Okay, looking for a break of this. If it breaks this 2161, another layer is at 2166. If it breaks 2155, another layer is 2150. So it's a tight range. We can see that similar situation happened on the left side of the chart, and it's happening here on the right side. So if it goes up and breaks above, okay, we have this other block where sellers will be waiting. Sellers will be waiting around here, 218 or 78 area, to push price back to the range area, then possibly for price to break up. That's one possibility. But if price breaks lower, then we'll be having head and shoulder pattern. Okay, but if we'll be having head and shoulder pattern, there is another block around here where buyers might likely pick price and push price up. So price will have cleared the stop loss. The stop loss is around here before going up. Okay, because as of now, there'll be buyer stop losses around the 2150 level. If price drops below that level, that will be a clearance of the stop loss, but buyers will still be waiting at the 2145 area. And if price goes up, it clears the stop losses as 2166 or 2161. And then we might likely see price now either going further up or turning completely down. All right, so but that's that for the 4-hour time frame. It's quite tricky. We have a range here, another range here, so we might end up having a continuous range for some time. Okay, price might end up ranging, and as price ranges, before some traders will have realized, so many accounts will have been blown, because we keep clearing stop losses to the downside, clear stop losses to the upside, before finally either continuing up or dropping down. So it's a tricky one at this particular point. On a wider perspective, if price going to go down, there are so many hurdles on the way. The hurdles are quite, quite, many. Look at so many other blocks, so many. So it's going to be a tough nut for the sellers to crack. Going to be a tough nut. So many other blocks lined up. All right, so as price progresses upwards, leaves behind other blocks, okay, where buyers will be lined up for the sellers to come, then pick price up. Okay, so we might end up seeing price drop down like the way it rose up. Okay, might end up seeing price give us this, but this is going to be hard. It's going to be a tough nut. Something must happen that must be very serious for price of gold to depreciate at this level. Okay, but let's keep our fingers crossed and let's see what might likely happen. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see what's going on the 1-hour time frame. We have something like a flag pattern, but it's a tricky one. It's a tricky one. We have a similar pattern here. Okay, but this shows that the selling force is getting weaker. We might see price drop again, just one more, then we have a double bottom, and the price will start to go up. All right, but that's that for the 1-hour time frame. The sellers are already in the market, and let's take a look at the trend line. We have a trend line in place. Okay, we have one around here. Okay, showing that there's enough room for buyers to still push price up. That's quite tricky. Okay, but if buyers are going to push price up, we have this supply area here where sellers are waiting. Sellers are waiting around here. Sellers are waiting around here. Sellers are waiting at the 2164. Sellers are waiting at the 2177 area. But if price is going to drop, we have buyers lined up somewhere around here, 2147. And we have another set of buyers lined up at 2127. Right? But it's quite tricky, really, of no possible direction for now. Possible sure direction for now. It's ranging on the 1-hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 30 minutes time frame. Price also ranging. Okay, but if price attempts to break up, we have this other block around here. Okay, that might push price down. We are talking about 2163 area. The sellers are waiting around here. Some sellers are also waiting around 2175, while some are waiting at 2181 level. Of course, this level was tested yesterday, and then price picked sellers pick price and push price back down. All right. Okay, but where are the buyers waiting on the 30 minutes time frame? The buyers will be waiting around here. This place has been tested twice as the 2150 area. Some buyers will also be waiting at the 2146. Some buyers will be waiting, around here, 2139, while some will be waiting at 2126. All right. On the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? We can see that the price of gold is still ranging. We might see something like inverted, maybe seeing something like inverted head and shoulder, where we have this the left shoulder, this the head. We might see the right shoulder, and then price might go back up. But if price gonna go up, we have so many levels, like this supply level. All right, price might meet with sellers around here and then go back down. There's another level somewhere around here. It's a level. There's another level. There's another level. Well, there's another one. So that's on the 15 minutes time. The price is currently ranging, but the direction is not clear, and we might likely see inverted head and shoulder for price to go back up on the 15 minutes time frame. But of course, on the 15 minutes time frame, the buyers waiting are quite many. So many buyers waiting for price to drop so that price can be pushed back up to make more profit. All right, but that's that on the 15 minutes time frame. Price is ranging. What can we see on the 5 minutes time frame? On the 5 minutes time frame, price is also ranging. So we might want to wait for range breakouts. But if range is going to break out, if the range is going to break out, we have, like I said earlier, we have so many stops, so many places that are buyers and sellers are waiting to peak price. All right, but first of all, there must be a range breakout first, and then we might not be maybe sweeping of the buyer stop losses or sweeping of the sellers stop losses. All right, so that's that for today's video. If you like the video, why don't you smash the like button, drop comment below the video. If you have questions, drop it below the video. Try as much as possible to respond to your questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Our current subscribers, we say a big thank you to you for subscribing. All right, we have our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit the website to learn more on how to trade. So I have another website, fxfables.com. You can visit our website to learn how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.